Hello, this is Slime Hacker 360. Today, I'm gonna change my name. And yes, I am doing this because, my name is very complicated and I have lots of friends that want to view my YouTube channel, but they don't know what underscore is, and they don't know what a slash is, and it's very long and stuff. So today, I'm gonna change it to not slimehacker360 / slm360 slime hacker, and then for my last 360. So you guys can now call me Slime Hacker, because one thing that I'm annoyed about is I get emails that are like, congratulations Slime Hacker 360 / and not SLM360. So then you could just say Slime Hacker. You can view my channel as Slime Hacker 360. And so I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK. And there we go.